So, what is meant by amniotic fluid? What is its importance? I am Dr. Neeraja, fertility specialist from Hyderabad. So, the fluid which is surrounding the baby is called liquor or amniotic fluid. So, generally we measure amniotic fluid in all quadrants: right upper quadrant, left upper quadrant, right lower quadrant, left lower quadrant. We'll take the sum of all the values. The level should be around 15. Then it's called as a normal amniotic fluid index. If it is less than 5, we'll label it as a oligohydramnios, that is less liquor. If it is more than 25, it's a polyhydramnios or more liquor. So what is the importance of amniotic fluid? So the baby is just like fish in the water. If the fluid is good, the baby will grow well, and amniotic fluid is rich in nutrients and antibacterial properties. So it helps the baby for lung maturity. It gives nutrition to the baby, and it gives cushioning effect to the baby, and it maintains temperature around the baby. It's thermoregulator. If the fluid is normal, then we can plan patient for normal delivery. If the fluid is less, generally we will advise cesarean section for that patient. If the liquor is less, what are the causes? Many a times it be idiopathic. There is no reason, and sometimes the mother is having any hypertension, then they have less liquor. Or some patients, if they have twins, it's a complication, twin to twin transfusion. So one twin will have more liquor, one twin will have less liquor. And one more condition, if the baby is not good, any anomalies, any chromosomal anomalies, congenital anomalies, then also liquor will be less sometimes. Or if there is any hidden leak, if there are any rupture membranes, hidden leak, the patient is not recognized that, follow-up scans, the patient will have less liquor in the scan. Or some patients in busy schedule, due to less intake of water, dehydration, they also have less liquor. So what is the treatment? So correct all causes, correct dehydration, take plenty of water, maintain hydration, take water rich fruits and vegetables. You have some options like arginine supplements, sildenafil supplements, which increases little bit liquor. So if the patient is term, already crossed 37 weeks, then we can plan. If the liquor is very less, if it is less than 5 oligohydramnios, then we should plan for cesarean section. If it is borderline, depending on the patient criteria, we can allow for normal delivery. So what are the causes for more liquor? So as already I said, twin to twin transfusion. The mother is having twins. One baby will have more liquor as a complication, twin to twin transfusion. Or any heart failure to the patient, or heart failure to the baby, or infections to the mother, or any congenital anomalies, anomalous baby, or baby with digestive tract problems, or mother with diabetes. It's very, very important. So India is capital for diabetes. So all these conditions, they have polyhydramnios, that is more liquor. What is the treatment? So if the baby is anomalous baby, then we need to plan termination. If the mother is diabetes, then we should control the sugars with tablets or insulin. There is no proper treatment per se to reduce the liquor. Just we need to treat the root cause. If the baby is mature enough, 37 weeks, depending on the other criteria, we can plan delivery as early as possible. Thank you.